ang Dora Gazelle. This is proven. Part siya ng chicken chorba. Sa vlog po sila okay. Parang chicken skin actually. Ay, hindi siya proven. Chicken skin siya. Fail.
Dapat ka fail. Ano man yan?
Parang siyang fatty something. Parang chicken liver lang din. Nagkakain ko yung chicken liver, it's almost the same. Pero medyo fatty yung texture niya. Ito yung videographer.
We're going to walk down the Rojas. First may alipin, make me karga. I'm so singon. Kita lang. It's so init. It's so igong. Huwag kayo maniwala kay Chami, nag-i-inart talaga ako for real.
Hi, we're here in Rojas. There's a night market. Bye-bye.
And ang aming pinuntahan, barbecue. Say hi, people! Hi! Guys, we're so cool nyo. Char lang.
Hi, we're eating dinner. Ano to? Pork barbecue and atay. And they're eating batikolon and isaw and fish.
What's
Chorba.
that? Is that a video?
Yeah. You're not bagay. Mag-konyo-konyo. Me only. My God, you're Scooby sa'yo.